doing well. To them again, a lot too are sleeping. It's because of their educational background, and sometimes they feel shy to catch the eye of the speaker. Because we are here, no more ote.
No.
Na, and then Muken was there. Ghana Parliament only need full compliment. I'm saying this in the sense that you see, the Parliament is supposed to be elected members who have the expertise to advance the cause of this nation. Yeah, stagnant.
Oh, Uncle.
Ye as if we are trotting. Abenbia but not a good idea be bar. Ne, because I'm in opposition, because I don't like you or them ubogu.
No. And when
the man banusu opposition and nusu mobogu.
Ne, abanyo wadi ona kasan crofuna wash up bani yarimin. Is she been na some work can as that worry I am busy on there. It's a pedal wab and not one a pedal wab and oko.
There sometimes you the edge one there. Is it just for frivolity?
Sure.
And then for profligate style of life. On I support to who party more power, or it is purposely to advance the common man, the socio-economic life of the common man walking on the street. In fact, in Yankasa, as a nation, we don't have a charter. We don't have. Any charter in there, winner wins all. Most as in it how we win never power. Won't go for here, won't go for and you won't govern. Ministries, department, agencies, universities, where you have experts in, we don't involve them in our day-to-day politics. Ban advice there. No, take this course. I hear them, obey them. Me as a president, me opposition for Wambra. There's difficulty in this area. We as a nation, let's come together and sit down. Past presidents, who are from one another, oh, them. Nah, I didn't in there. I want from one. Into one so one from.
It's like
if he rent a while but walk a road to a whole but she shouting into Ghana Ghana has become noisy. And as if we look in the next 2-4 years, them or they are achieving them, here priority them. Yes, Nana Akufo-Addo be no flagship as easy. Why? That's one side. President Muhammad Sube also there, he blocks. But you see, why Ghanaians vote for political parties? Only there, they want to have a feel in their pocket. That is all the Ghanaian wants. It is Ekonkrasi Demia. Okrasi in Naz or in there. No one other one.
Why you kwanen?
I will find there electricity poor ma. For the electricity poor ma. Na telephone and call na new roading when there roady wire double surfacing obotume fine kwase abakrom we be di gwa onyimi there obotume na say electricity yin kroma or the battery or the power ni TV. These are the things that the rural community wants. The next thing in there ikroyi insu nda ho nti ye be ye net na what insu ato ho. But we have MPs. MPs in so they be the excuses that they are overburdened with demands in our parliament to grab her. Need to do not share gallery no there yes. Ni campaign team members are Wofi Kojo Krom Bula Matari Krom ina ha onya we bogusu ho nti onya ohwa oje fast wo baby ha otino ono kwan. Yes, it is because of the promises that you gave them. Your responsibility is to take care of your constituents. It depends upon the language, the narrative that you have with them. Oh no, but when you enter na minimum PBA Central Region, baby, oh yeah, nemi war. MP ni win elections a woman Land Cruiser not the Land Cruiser and Gesifi. Na oshe ni pick up chenche maybe ọnụ na ọkọ new constituency ọzọkọ most Argentine but oye ya ọkwado ama new constituency fún wo ọdẹ lagos mo ṣe awòye tó mọ ọdẹ kẹdẹ dẹmú kálí ma ìyẹn kálukọ ni ọyẹ ìyẹn dèmí ọyẹ ìyẹn school dẹn wa ìyẹn school dẹn ni nudo etu. Well, those are the demands, but you also as an MP, you need to lobby NGOs. They don't do it. There are NGOs from Danida, you can get Busak, you can get a lot of these NGOs.
Okay,
USA.
MPB amempedeme bonizin. Ye share ya bobo nkomo na bazi na umso okay awo jabutere. Me hu the urban development, how to handle it in Tasi. Awo shemran, but which this is what I have written. I'm a member of Parliament. One can say shum na so ye. Ye need to na mono kur ebien. Onko biem. E frena Parliament on anka so onyu ho okwabuchi.
George, you
Constituency one so onyu ho.
Or your passport.
Wakata buchi.
No your visa.
Or akata buchi.
You are catch your door here.
No, aza osada yeyen o mayenye. And what more?
Who are Ashanti region MPs? They are fond of doing that.
Uncle.
But I can stand up for voter region MPs. In spite of all the difficulties, you always see their MPs going round. But I there to them again voter region
and then this is strong.
Ashanti region. But there will come a time. I have said it on this platform.
Sure.
There, as we progress in our democracy, there will come a time you even have a president with a minority in parliament.
I can't wait.
I'm telling you.
I can't wait.
Let's see how the system will work.
I can't wait.
I'm seriously yearning to look for this.
I can't wait.
You have a minority in parliament, but then you are the president. That is what one day will happen in this country. The Ghanaian voter is becoming a political animal. The occasional platform in these 2020 elections here, the occasional platform do more promises. I mean, more connections. Say, president and presidential candidate, more body power. Me na ejizi there on a monu dunti a man for boto amoa eboa. Yes.
Masa, offended South Africa one chamber way. Ye huda.
Papa.
Ye kwa Kigali. Ye hu parliament moti. Nigeria for one house of senate one kwa ye hu moti. Africa di me hu Mali di me hu Togo di me. Ye di oyefio papa.
Papa oyefio.
Ye di osi we oyefio papa.
We don't have to waste money.
Now we are cover architects. Now why your drawings? No, that be see parliament. You be see.
You no go for your enterprise. Obisu ni lobby na.
You both tomorrow.
He sometimes do not come from the parliamentarians. Maybe I don't know whether it's the leadership in parliament of both the majority and minority. Funa wunya why I been there. Say insu auto parliament ho no onwin na eto na insu bo weti fidu kol mbede basa ebeka de we krase ho baby na
ebizo ho
won ma farmer school then na what mponche no why won headquarters ho you also have that sense that sense of remembrance.
1992 President Rawlings ente bende sikema was spending 8 million Ghana cedis. No was here baby ana Watson. President Kufuor Bay, on so agro kakran 12 million Ghana cedis. That was the year 2014, 22 million Ghana cedis.
To the extent that Professor Mills is making sure that all offices
are account 22 million Ghana cedis. Plus 12 plus 8.
There should be sense of reasoning. There, baby.
There be MPs in the debate too, or papa.
A sense of reasoning there. We can be on the President Mills get a prolificate expenditure. And maybe let's set our priorities right. The young crossing for now will go and war a bread. people are crying. This year, if your TV do and it's a radio, it's all about roads. So roads should be our priority, and I expect there Abani Owodi Oncho Obeyena Wafrafra and Yimzefo, including political parties. Look, this is a big problem confronting this country.
China's key.
So China is gonna
South 2 billion. Beba.
You know what's the 2 billion?
The 2 billion say by Busumi.
Oh, consultants grab bit.
Let me see at least 2 billion. Yet is 2 billion yabe. Busumi.
You know. Mr. Consultants grab bit is Kenny Yama, why just about 3 routes. And see, in fact, there is the need to involve society. When you invite leadership of various civil societies, political parties, you are inviting Ghana, so that we all sit, do some kind of dissection, retrospection, and then introspection. Ne you to me ashwe there. The mukwani no there fa. Make there. President Mahama Nabedo, National Development Planning Commission, was the 40-year plan by Yabuegu. CCIS a 7-year development plan. No, so there's no advocacy. Nobody knows where we are heading to.
7 years development plan, 40-year development plan. President Kufuor time. Yes, our plan be. A Rollins the time crowd. Ya mfa plan mu ba kokora anya adwuma. Rollins the 8 years ko. J Kufuor by we be the 8 years ko. John Mahama, Professor Mills John Mahama 8 years ko. Obi amfa plan na anya adwuma.
We are not serious as a nation, because any economic charter yebagede yebudu daman na yenso ya an economic giant.
Ye pe na politician ni gina paso pe no wadada ye nyina ye ka ho ye nyina na sese contribute mpacho ye no kra enye ye nyina hui na sese contribute $2 billion ya aba sese ye nyame no wo ye beche e yo obi na ebe de kwan na be ma contract no obi na ekotu ya nyame ne ye nka ho. Professor Messi time we so mo kwaje China 1.5 billion sen kura na ba 500 million na ba
650.
Yes, enya me no mienu ye nka ho I no mo de dada ye na ye ka ye contribute dan ye contribution ye tax and you be responsibility set taxes no or the be ye adwuma no de aye ni ye suku dan ye bukum kwada 6 or central region be sin na sada na nzi ye
njo was obesi ma
you see
DCE go. Yeah, let's talk about the DCEs too. A lot of them are lazy DCEs.
One more 7 the DC is not 7 the me nya ekura nka ye
until na me say the elections go abobeye.
Oh,
because wakati officer mo in there was sign go you work. Nothing else.
this is
Nothing more. Mana wa pro nzebe
the young shall grow.
pro so ayebenya kokuns. Kokuns
No, the young shall grow.
Yeah, we are coming.
No, the young shall grow.
Young was our bezuzu.
O depend.
Was our bashishe they don't have any political direction.
There be onye dam young your way in yeke o. Onye dam mo young fu yi bi o. Onye mo MPP no mo NDC young fu yi.
If you want to run like Formula 1. What to me Ghana wants to
okay.
Anyway, frustration. Let's see how we can prioritize this country where we feel there's about putting money into the Ghanaian pocket. It's important. Maybe I'm a can't be there. And with all the infrastructure development here, why were we voted out of office? We should be asking ourselves. With all the development projects that President Kufuor, why was the MPP voted out of office?
President President Kufuor Tina Guado Ofio. Up to today, 60% of the project are one complete. Ojama won NDC working room. NDC by Professor Mills John Mahama once were by 82% of the total project are went to win working room.
That is
more than another boy. Honestly, project of Baban Obekan room.
It's because we've forgotten that your constitution, one of the principles of our constitution, the direct principles of state power. in there, it should be a continuous process. The pettiness, I use the word pettiness. Oh no, oh yeah. We all want to be identified with a particular color instead of seeing the red, gold, green in. We all want to be identified with a particular color. That's all. So that hey, I'm in the mayor them. It's so. There. In America, we there. Extra in your mouth taking place. So you ask yourself, how bad are they gonna for warrior? And your discussion won't go to come now was easy 3 square meals a day. And say you too every month look at what the American does. America from Obama na period. Tama banking crunchy bay. Ostado revive my injuma na aza we gwangwan efi America. Ibinum was our band. Every month what was the statistics. But there this month the economy was able to employ 40,000. That constitutes about so percent of the total unemployment. What is in the man? Ma papa sube take over. No so you there. Well, unemployment rate was down to 3.6%.
3.6%.
And they are expecting there by year 2020 it will be almost about 2.8%. And see, any rough tactics will play. Going after Huawei, going after China economy, going after this economy. We know the European allies, or the cacao fry, but
just to reduce unemployment to America.
Yes,
that is
reducing the unemployment.
He's a businessman.
Whatever it takes him to reduce unemployment, that is what he's doing. And I'm looking at their politics keenly. At the end of the day, but then we also as a nation, Captain, there is the need for us all to sit down and to chart one direction, irrespective of our political affiliation. One man there in the next so and soon, ne Ghana etu dem pempenso. Say yanyen dam. Now I remember by marriage to move projects. On America there, look at them the desire to eliminate at the fast track. Instead of going for Mahama E-blocks, we can see new one. Because once you walk up, no complete Mahama new school blocks in here. And this is Fusu back there. When you BBI here, school blocks.
Yes.
That is the politics we are using to kill this country.
That parties
to be in power. After being in power, what else again?
Last 3 days was a baby me come for be chief of staff, my who come on, I'm see who Them pan hamadri. Them pan hamadri. Do you know what it takes to become a chief of staff?
And everyone by know what's so high.
And your own party woman. She's not an ordinary party person.
Maybe I can work for some favor.
Baby, I'm running my down into my mum ferry. I never would have been any son here by them say, son, I'll patch it. Where you are sitting? What did you link her? Who ran it chief of staff down?
Well, it happens in every political party.
You are running her down.
That is the black man.
Because who would you be a contract?
Well, when black man consciousness.
Oh my God.
And Martin Luther wanted to elevate the black consciousness because in young consciousness are in there undermining blackmailing, character assassination, conspiracy. Then you were conspiracy theories, and that's how people live on. Once you want employment behind.
Eric
Captain.
Obeko constituency bi ana Ford Obeko Kede.
Why never call?
Kojo Ford Obeko Kede.
Kojo Obeko primaries. Oh, okay, that's good.
Obeko Kede.
Kojo me we show.
And Tigo Eko Afran Plains.
Hey.
And if you man kwata maklo go so.
If you go so. Sir.
Okogo so.
Oh, minimum.
If you man kwata maklo be kogo.
Minimum. Oh, good. Into Obeko we be primaries. Party ben.
Yeah, co primaries no. You do
independent.
independent na be sure o me ansa ni na me sure
e ba na yo
ala maka say obodu 2020 wa awo ya ze bu independent candidates bi
2020 the assess an echo
na say NS kumenso ko akwatia o ana NS ho na ele
na Ernest wo constituency me to galamsey wo we aware
I'm aware.
okay
na say eguso why na say omojai
say you illegal
Debbie.
na what illegal galamsey da
Community Debbie.
nipa ne say etu galamsey wo so ya we ewie ya wo say enye illegal one ade so ya illegal galamsey.
So okay, so forgive me. Maybe I accepted the wrong assertion.
Okay. Your microphone.
But there's community mining ongoing.
Community mining.
Yes.
I could more for none.
I licensing for government among we are juma.
diamond we twa kakra na wazama
I say so to gold and that's what diamond
and wants what you do. Oh, yeah, fact. You know it's a fact. Yeah, politics here. You know, only me love is actually.
Captain.
If we do so you.
Oh, but MPs in there, me Macau, you be too baby.
You was any MB on bravo.
Primary Senate.
Oh, but someone I mean, mamma, you know.
I'll miss so.
What's it? In Jawu for contest me. And this is your enhanced work qualifications now will be there. Because every day I go never minister, at least deputy minister for lands and natural resources.
Hey, why am I designation?
Oh no, hey, that is your desire. Yeah, in politics you should be ambitious. Oh, it's just merely being in politics.
But I don't know. I go see your coin. I know what I cried. No, Uja said the system let's see no. Look, it's about time. Ghana near would hear me. Yes, MP no be time, me minimum MP po, meaning shiada. But the point is that Edumra, we need to take things by force and develop this country by force. Yen timin to aba mani pam bebre na ode bia sana trokasa. No, that trokaism no, the trokaism is has come to an end. Trokaism na twam. You do time as I say a queer name. Would the Debbie I would say you want to catch the eye of the speaker? But if you want to see an NGO to come and do something in your constituency, you don't have to catch the eye of the speaker. I know why. And the MP you can grade as one fan you can. Oh, you bet two more papa few. MPP primary so say date no naka September October for the orphan constituency
for the orphan year
September and I main one year
amunche date
oh you name date no
sir
oh share ojafo
na mun kan
you name date no
Captain
you bet two omo
anopai de mechia adom FMT fo nyina na memfa akwanya so yenu anu wo ahafo region. The deputy youth organizer or Asunafo South, Ebenezer, young guy, and yet is Watoni Binkum.
Oh, what are you?
As at now, Craminia detail in Ankasa. No, Sunyani Technical University. Oh, I Bebunuba. Only picture, very young guy.
Young and handsome.
Yeah. Or a very hard-working guy. And I think, say, party ne yahwrade nti youth wing no ye befa kwanya wesuni ya me ho so yakoya ebe na busuan wa hafo titru ne go so petemu ye momu nyina yako ene ndisi abusuan ko nyina.
Okay, but mama me musa question we.
Yeah.
Ernest, me busa more communications to NDC.
Yeah.
Awo ho.
Semaba.
Sir.
That's why deputy
Some no bisano na ya some
sir. More communications department.
Your National Communication Bureau.
Sir.
Ye jumanso.
And your department by a bureau.
Yeah.
Sir.
Powerful team. Solid.
Hey.
Ye leader and lawyer Sami Jemfi.
More communications team.
Now here wedding.
Debi me busa me nsa me nka mo.
Say mo Adom FM mo in charge of communication and I want to communicate ma Adom.
Debi
enti ya communicating ya ba no.
Enti me busa say mo wo bi.
Na hwan mo na abai.
Debi en dem fa obi o party member obi o say em fan media no member of the communications team.
Oh Debi, ye wo.
Anka Loto onye communication member o kan Debi enter.
Oh, asemo a captain busa me.
Enti mo wo bi.
Ye wo bi. Me a member.
You.
NDC has a national communication team.
Bureau. But captain, honestly speaking, yeah, communication. said the no who no can occurrence I am
question
no question no busa me one ko deepo ba busa se ye wo bi
me dia ne se
me busa to na e wo ho no o ma ye hu a ye be ye hu
adwuma se bibia to chima
good
me dia ne se me busa question na obema me answer
when you ask such question I said that they are not making impact
good because the question
me busa say
more communication
the psychology behind
that is it I feel you be ready meanings into the question answer when
because
who communication department simple
NS there was so busa so mo national communication director on the deserve
say be busa no
because
why deserve
wo de no question
be wo mu ni bi
e what am person no jitu no
communications director
MPP busa so
masa ye hu bi da wo bi
babi asamonyi
oh
mo de no hwan
anya ya babi asamonyi
no
parties ni mienu no ho parties ni mienu mo communication na break it down oh take it or leave it
je ehun smoker
captain
je ehun smoker
o de ma me transfer
nti say NDC fu why press conference cream
Babi Asama want me am match sad no
Babi Asama obi fi parliament aba no so abo no kaw
share Dan Botry Lord Comey combination and communications that time
na Haruna na Fifi Kwete
Haruna na Fifi Kwete parties me no am wo hoyi muni communications o
captain eno nya wa
every crowd me mobile appointed director for frana mo acting director na mo director
me need capacity
na me sasa mo
your deputy directors of communication
mo ma ko 10
there be any deputies no me sasa the all host say no acting director na say
there were a director of communications
captain
no acting director ni nye agwe
onye wan
mo we yinin
adumaku be on the omu yinin ntem omu yinin ntem captain
adumaku
communication
is a very good
communications director
yeah better say we move
that mean can that be you see when you begin to measure yourself to that of the NDC
it is after 2020 elections never better than normally that is the yardstick
no but we on call for no one team ni sisi and there yeah fast stable one such as a what number
me fiasama the question mark button
Eric to
oh
no you be Eric na yi nkofo bi Sami JF Eric is good one or two other guys more
ya is
a different platform them no dem back come on makana
realize here essence MPP na say who nim essence munni effective communications director to go upon Kromebre.
Yeah, I will agree with you.
You don't have an effective communications director.
It's like he is not there.
We have an effective communication director, but Ebia, the over to me I can say maybe he is too busy for the role. Maybe I person can
no.
So catch him say why you busy? You do about seven training. Why you busy into banner training now? Born and guitar and the
no, say play. Or honorable member of parliament. I'm sure say.
If we introduce the element,
if
we introduce the element of honesty, we will be doing ourselves good as political parties. Look, Kojo Oponkruma or
because you have a weak communications director.
No, but and I'm just saying you can't say he's weak. Maybe it's a matter of say Ejuma Egune so Edoso. No, because so an honorable member of parliament, I'm sure I'm sure he's serving on committee. He's a board member of Ose.
Wankasa. Who is a board member? Who is a member of parliament? Who is serving committees? Who can do communications director today?
Anyway,
as well as
I know you're for no
Captain, honestly speaking, NDC as a political party, you need so your communication. We have it seen. You see, yes,
they were in the so
your moment of truth by. Oh, yeah, first one, and now I'm also call a truth forum. Just say the any dinner more fabi. Na truth forum no nipa gina director kinkonya short work wetin say wan prepare and we dis some medium fear terms na young guy mu ina so your lawyers and na man yourself no baby edru no ho captain and what's your hwere adwen ansa say be wahu de akọ it is some mentality na yeah monamo a and NDC memu a young guys na penifo na we krom de na omo ye Meboa. Ye twam ho da. Sa Gold Coast politics ni ya munyai. Chese ye ye kwa akofo obi dina be ma chese meje mfi sa ma nkokora nkeye. Ene papa yi moment of truth ye ask one day by you started first why ye na why second ye na why
be why busy
saying adwuma no wonim ye that is a fact. Share politics won ade ba kwa ye ha political parties ne ban say di onim adwuma ne ye ne mfa ma no and then that is the fact.
Putting square pegs.
Yes,
around.
that is the problem they have now. And honestly speaking, for them currently, you can never compare their communication to ours. That one, they don't
These
do it.
two major political parties, they always put square pegs in.
Now, Petia, our deputy communication directors, Maku 10. Also, our government communication specialist, 3 or 4. I don't know what the understanding of this communication is. And still, want to communicate about Captain. Asem bi ha me mamenka wo ha captain sa normalization committee no
also there are
meba no ehia me pa
we are one GF.
Yes, captain sankofo no omo be ye corrupt at Nyantechi administration no meba tie
Nyantechi administration
on the anas che no on the anas principle
don't
in terms of football.
Okay, in terms
of video no have nothing to do.
You simply say more administration.
Uncle Matewase
will be worse.
Kwesi Nyantechi issue na da hono meba kwesi Nyantechi issue na da hono. Kwesi Nyantechi ya nchine se we football scale.
Oh, captain.
What me pacho me show you so na me nchire mo ansa ko trouble abrame. Wanka any video nim. Any video nim ba bia se kwesi Nyantechi.
Why cartoons are
one boy?
Oh man,
video no me share twice. Kwesi Nyantechi anka ne ba bia da video no se president bottom.
Ba captain.
NDC fan
video na kasa na ye ko
video
Kwesi Nyantechi video na ye ko here. Everything was about construction of roads in the northern region.
Na construction in some okeka o no na
some no okeka ye se Kwesi Nyantechi to make sure say road bi wo wa the 10 years say bridge dimensions into say ya obi a china trans briefing no
na ye ka no mampani so we ni abobo na
so the real issues to come out no why we are Ghana for the boys
captain Nyantechi order some baby wa
me makada dada
uncle it about then
no come here
look we are Ghana we sacrifice innocent
people me farm black style ba mama captain assembly chire margin nkofo ye koya na nado 11 project na almost implement bi grounds no one village, one dam, one match, 1 point. Sa agenda no almost de ko. Asat now. Captain, ye nim for 2 nkofo na de ko. No, me
say 15 million.
No, tournament ticket that so be $4 million. Now the 15 million. What dream we are normal. What is happening? I don't think I can't afford about here. Mo see anya me boa. And then central for am wo kroma am yes sports obi ano dwem. Hey, Kroma won. Meba, Uncle. Asam ne hame. Because na make story bin run again. Obi the $350,000 and the tournament.
Fifi ifun nenyu asa.
Ibe hu sama where we cry here. Captain.
I must have you know. The issue is.
Me say Uncle,
let us talk presently.
Uncle. Hey.
Black Star will bring the tap to Ghana. History repeat itself.
It will repeat today. O de mumfa ba kwasem no nto.
No. Abakosema.
O de anke fatwo.
Enti na ye history.
Captain the American say. Na wana say elusu a ope. Na na
win by 3 goals.
But the me person me kire ni say. Tournament ayeko. Uti. Ye person sanity prevailing in the system. Ye person sanity.
Young guys now mo abeje communication. Young guys now abeje communication.
Sanity prevailing in the system. Anuntina anas din expose ne ba ya power normalization committee what I say so mo meye ejuma be Ghana for akoma atom yem and asat now ya tournament me dey say me calculation say so mo nya winning bonus because mo win match bia na draw bonus so me nya sure say bi ka ho but me person me kire on say at the end of the day corruption na say ekosi o GF akachepe expose anas the buy
anas expose no GFA ho de hwensi ho
oh captain yen nyina ne hwe sini no bi nya nkwa na wo hwe
no kada ba GFA what happened at
na nkofo na ye na hwe sini no no obi ya adwuma multimedia
Debi
na ye do obi a
Debi bu so kosa
Debi who can corruption with GFA
na de si ye na ye den
Mpacho TV
we added more to Anas
Robert Safomo je fans ye on na ye den boba honorable boba former MP
Mpacho TV. That had nothing to do directly with GFA. Nipa no ye no GFA.
And I'm say
say me koye bibi anya multimedia na so
captain ba oni bibi
there was not a
single man kokoye edin be na ye de be touch na
oh yeah adwuma
erikeje obi o wo me na ma bi NDC so nyam na me te party
NDC ni de
eti wo de koye se multimedia be mo atena bibi otene bi ma koye ade be bread station need to distribute you know
and we are different
different say who ye GFA president now timi ko trase ne abrofo shake atan ne ho ahwa mo ensem a wo ka o mama mpani wuru mo da number ne ade you are telling me say eno ne nya GFA asem
na why na catch
na kwasi yen tete me ba tie me captain tie me so onye GFA president a ojidi sen kasa abrofo big man on beba no Eric Eje o mahu me on ba me ho in what capacity no mo de call nchen ma me ka me normalization ho hia me sports running kameka captain me say normalization for no omo nya ntem no mo fa budget ni metu dwane ehu de ekọ because mo amaba mo be ma ne ma ye normal sa mo de krafe na be abnormal because at now yenim de ekọ o ka yesim ye musa ho asem ye taxes no mo de ko uncle ye cap no mo de be ba na ye me ye o mo de ba me pe papa ba so be tam be $50 million they akwaje $4 million abade it doesn't make sense
me da say say dey $22 million
captain
$5 million aba
as an NS Baba
you
don't put the
captain
cart you don't
the captain
you don't put the cart before the horse as someone in the Wamuska was on for tournament one for cap in Mayfi was a cap in bar Rollins philosophy of accountability and probity or there should be at play that's all
simple
okay.
There shouldn't be an euphoric situation. Yeah, but get the job by a winning captaincy. Ye, we win is what as a map.
When we is what
on the young concept. Why you only the book you job is all about Ghana. No, I mean, I support Black Star 100%. The history is going to repeat itself. And so far as you have Adi as a captain. The day are you look at the chemistry of it
Captain General
in 1982 look at the
it's the same thing 1982 nearly be about 2-2 Yele Cameroon ball goalless draw
Ghana for any lotto pem
no obi shoe na wa ya
position
lotto ya no mo
otu too much
na lotto
enyima or there Dr. Wafandembo normalization nje bi nuzo efifim the normalization na mu wacha dodo na bion wacha dodo training basi bazo it is Eddie hello
captain
it is Eddie United
che captain Onwere KG also starting na osu say MPP for ni bi esoro am say sa that young man young boys young boys o mo hadwen no credit o wa na yaka hwe young man obetena no petututu hwe bi o de asem ne nam ene IMP a wo
captain
na no na beden young man e bi a wa meto ye time so
more time captain I didn't know
if you are over 2 years
time
anyway on time and our politics me kind those days that was trade and industry now women now that was school
now me party aduma wo me
concern that's time yeah come ministry of trade and industry 2001
ecosystem ya na yeshia he
and never or fail
anyway it's for the light side on the lighter side but no kwe wo mu ni say baby aminu e di asem ne nam ne bi ono ma enye fair on say ɛno na anka lo take kind no person can na we say coffee fin some ni na ehwe near no but I believe say sometimes irrespective of the SC in the past ni nyina no there's a way we need to forge ahead maybe na me tie uncle na nsem a can say enyama bi we need to agree as a matter of the political elite and say the political space, you know, on the way forward, irrespective of where we stand on the matter. And I think say there are certain issues we should have a common grounds for all of us to forge ahead. The Eminia Ike, Sana Uncle Lutika and Sapepe, Omoko normal bar accountability bibia to see any ye biem ya hwemote ama ye biem na ye hu sana any amenity so bet na be speculate
you so chewa o be rane
yes ye hu hia se
da be ye catch o be rane
o sesi ano o speculate
da be but oja
na catch ye
o there we to kan wa ye jumache. Can you embark on a project without announcing your budget to your stakeholders?
And our stakeholders in one announcer, what's the means?
Debbie.
Oh, Tutu.
Sana yeti kom near captain can that is the right way. Oh, handle project grandpa. Your budget is known and how you are going. But then the issue is that Komana yetino. What did Bibia to draw? Sunny ye bekan esau, ye bekan kesio, ye and Sunny ye bekan, Sunny ye be komuna ye be yeno. Sometimes it even demoralizes the team, name Yamanti. Oh, no, it's true. And your money, and your money be sometimes you can demoralize the team. No,
hey,
Ampa,
sir,
into the Yanka budget. Oh, no, me say. And no 19 make us I believe in Uncle Lieutenant principle and say at the end of the
team, the Brazil, but at the air, I don't think you need HW.
Oh, yeah, now Brazil a break it that kind of patriotism
committee, Demo committee, Wapon. And see one year more budget one from Bra. Now you wound a chartered accountants be or will go into their budget. That's a ways and means now. Oh, woman, I didn't know. To go ways and means in our doors, we bunde walk on for you war, Bruno. The next time in the Sisala or go Malambi.
Yes, I saw for Granny Malams to be called.
Oh, no, just of the Waba.
Captain said last, I as someone issue by me, but now I can say, your football, no. There's no competitive base of even selecting players. And I was very emphatic on that. Because I'm Malam Semni, Sa Juju Semni, Abosom Semni, I don't know. I've been right football anymore. I say, no crown, no, I seen players, no skills, I'm a day bobo.
NS, we and what's okay.
It doesn't matter for
soft way or magic politics yafa and the players is united politicians.
Oh, to.
And you know me na
no, he's right. Hold on. Magic politics now, Bozo. Is it right? No, answer the question.
Right, leadership. No.
Which leadership?
Huh? Yenina.
So now,
I can't say my music.
You want leadership to address this, and then you come on there in innuendos and insinuations,
sir,
and say, how do you move forward?
Now,
you see,
Ubusa a simple question. One say, oh, Yano. I'm say honorable Hanko, so the same thing I have. Wouldn't be no open it to no.
Oh, politics is all then I will go to. I'm a Sidema Captain Smart also you two MPC.
No, on a
Mogabisino.
On a more serious note.
Mogabisino.
On a more serious note.
How would you have found you been too baby?
To say Sana, there's a common ground. You might be where we can agree. Sir, I'm a serious captain. So necessary.
Captain. Oh, yes, Dr. Free.
Dr. Free,
and let me count you. One of our seminar.
Oh, that been a circle.
And run address him, yes, baby. And I make can't 7 no, I can't 7 years. And when the constituency. Now, me, I will personally write to the president and personally write to Yoku on that matter. And there are 7 on the constituency. And to me, pet trouble.
Do you know what about Obeya?
I was including the Kakra. I was including Kakra.
And just is your go contest.
Oh, no, indeed, 2 times.
Oh, you are in parliament now. One way, it's a parliament.
Oh, I will take.
You see, the Ubeya. No, but the political antics behind.
But of course, I mean,
yeah, you have to create a space for yourself.
No. Africa comes on the way in the political struggle of me and what I do. No, Africa number 2.
No. What I mean to say, AFAG was occupying our political space.
But civil society.
What find in 2008?
Let my vote count.
Set the record straight. The AFAG no back.
But look, all these civil organizations were occupying some of our political space.
Oh sure.
But you see, right now where
and AFAG was far better than.
Oh no, don't say that.
Oh my!
Let's clear this.
Yeah.
AFAG was not politically affiliated.
Right.
Yeah.
AFAG.
But you made good argument.
No.
Yeah, sure. AFAG was not. AFAG was
No. AFAG was an animal with an elephantiasis.
But the point was that by law,
yes,
AFAG was not politically affiliated.
That's said by law. Yes. CJ is NDC.
Setting the record straight was politically
affiliated. But when you talk about CJA, then you can equate CJA to that of
no problem. That one I would agree.
But CJ Mpo or Band.
But no, Dr. Free, why are they? MPP time, no.
And you put in the
no. Look, you see that is how it is. No, Dr. Free.
Yeah.
You see. I am a politicians. Look, you have your own aspirations and ambition. There's a difference between aspiring to be, and there's a difference between when you have aspired and you have succeeded, then your ambition comes in.
Right.
Then you come and defend party. The BH Carlo do come here, ebo we na ebinimu hozizi aye fi no check. Na ebinimu zizi na ebinimu so.
Na so person can parliament
said the idea.
It's all in your post. Aza.
Edan de omu nsi say.
Captain.
Me am be sure say parliament na kasa bra no. Won kasa won say mo amu.
Me bana uncle kasa.
O ka de we da de we.
Dan na mutum be si chima foforo.
Captain won say etoda
faso bi ene so
ene mani bia wontia
anya grant bia Ghana ha ne woro
doc don't do that.
Flagstaff House na grant we na Ghana security
omo de ne mani na grant ya kura de hia na de stam no Captain hwe
ya fa grant ne ko ya
Captain skill of preference.
Oh, honorable. Grant way there. Yen can change the na o my grant no.
Populism
that is paramount to Ghanaians for now.
Relate a decision. There's always a true cost or opportunity cost. Until Obia bet me relate one particular decision at any point in time to Adia at any point.
And then answer
Captain. And by what Ghana handles revenue yes. There are certain things we would always have to put pressure on politicians to get the right thing done. I completely agree to it. But let us not say, in the midst of little budgetary allocations, some expenditures cannot be undertaken. And yes, capital compensation and all sort of expenses that you have. It is a obedieno adenidia ketua de beko akoye adia bakwa. Obeka say na adentina ya fani na homa this area because say na was say
honorable.
Yeah no. And
when your mind any nibu but the atiane say
yes.
Say ye kase ye de sika de koya de foforo ye de koye bibie si bibia na sa de no ebi ho dada de wo ho no etimi so ye de wo ho no asai ebe say
enti ana person mo chere say ye budget na parliament itself no omo no budget from 92 no omo yi budget
mo time mo amba foforo mo amba foforo yi me hunu hwe edan ye si hwe
yeah.
It's one of the best.
They are spending close to 100 million Ghana cedis.
Yeah, first in South Africa.
Yeah, Danya Yetimi. Change now say a person at the MPs to be back with 275. Say, Kusi Chima for near Baim. Yet,
but
yeah, dan na nyehwe mu ntenam. Ba mo guru me se ye betum afi.
You know what?
Oh, and
Captain, they need a good architect.
Captain.
So was your phone that room can occupy 400. Chinese where
Adena the target is Metiwa inti Ojumamenti. NDC MPs ni be film. And no say no thinking here there.
Thinking here say ejuma say so mo be no mo nyai.
Mr. the Ghana Parliament. Onya no full complement.
But you have a very pleasant wife I met 2 years ago.
Oh, that's my wife.
Oh, now you're opposite to
Yamu if you Muslim.
Oh,
last
2 years.
Honorable person
Keep. Then we went to the dialysis center.
Yes.
Then we saw a pleasantness. MPs no G verify, committee. Na oka say there be na ebi omo kidney ase ye kalam say. Onu na oka o. Na omo hu say mercury no. Na ase bebre kidney. Enti na MPs aba yi dia obi abetutu collection e wo ha say. My manager you so and the woman so nice no. O manage it after me na musa say, "Madam, so what's your name?" What's me say Salote. No, Wanka. Inti ne former boss as you say, yes, CEO, we say, Olebu. And I say, I will take Jacob wife. And I'm say, oh, really? I want to work where you opposite. You are now joining MPPI. Hey, that was 2 years ago. Now, maybe I will meet you. I will tell you about it.
She's there, deputy director.
Oh, that's lovely. She deserves it. Maybe. Oh, yes.
I mean, me educated fisherman.
Oh, but you are.
Honorable question. No, maybe so meet him that I can answer. That's why I'm ready.
There we are.
But let me come to you.
Say, say, Oma, you be too woman. Any Oma Beba no.
Yes, Oma
Ache wo ho no. Oma,
yes, Oma nyo Oma adwuma no.
Enti me say familiar case study. Enti adwuma be na
na. Our doctor. Obi kwaya also there trees in schools. Schools in yeah, no, please. Yeah, look, it is very damaging to the image of Parliament. On America there, Parliament hasn't got its full complement because we need experts. It is not purposely, but one problem in there. Organizer onye niska kaka most as said na or dashi my party for branch my beji kaka. But more in the organizer Nigerian platform do 1-2 man. And pass to carry constitution because a be or your donation no work Parliament. Parliament is one organizer.
So the problem will come
we haven't had
Oseche is right because leader our diagnosis be or on the diagnosis is there. So we share westernized societies now. They say we are conservative party UK. Omo yeah selection first. You go through a tour way party you why you be meeting interview panel. You go through a certain recommendation from constituency and a lot omo enimu edwuma why who you are. Enti normally no obetimi hu say prime minister of UK obetimi afa wo free not the work a different place. So what you say. But the answer your constitution.
No, if you are not within that constituency.
Exactly.
But the issue is
we in our party we have given the power to what we call delegates. Satimase. And take it or leave it. They decide who become a member of parliament. And people who go to parliament, they will be very good, especially at committee level. The act of legislation, Captain, it doesn't matter whether you are a lawyer or not. It's a skill on this side. But there are people who are all Matinado FM on country. And so do honor maybe you call him to come and help make that out. And it is all across. And for me, I think what people used to measure the effectiveness of an MP. A year subjective. Subjective.
I mean, more example.
He's talking.
He's
talking as an MP.
Committee meeting.
He's talking. Honorable. Look. Let us do an introspection. Accept this.
I feel we primary snap parties in the immune no be kono. a national crusade. You better ball record. Dear who say record and 50 parliament not to get out.
No, every July,
I feel where July be no.
But Inma, I wanted to make a small comment on once Ghana we vote on the was in fact, Ghanaians should speak against it. Not the miscan more rather than one former MPC. Look, in your constituencies, baby, they just need a covert. And it's because of lack of education, because almost about 70% of our electorates in here shall be when you're educated. And see, every language is abamba bueno, every language is abamba bueno. We need to resource NCC. Look, we have some headache. We need a good prescription for it. Obi Odinra Odugu got him. Osu ne covet or no croman in your Osua nefi insu ta ne insu na divert no cost because you cannot block water's level. Insu bia you can never into obey disaster baby ne covet bi or no I say lack of supervision from roads and highways and feeder roads. One guy wants to no confused. They don't care whatever the contractor does. But what I'm worried about is what I see in Ghana today. Hey, Bibia ban.
Yes.
Look, Charlie. No, Uncle, you might say Bibia ban. Uncle, and you're not Bibia wire ban. Yet to Obama president. One way a campaign in our casa to an extent. As a Ghana problems in they have it in their palms. 1 by 3 days on solve it. Presidential candidate ni fi hona be hwa pound MP ni so aba parliamentary candidate ni so aba ono so kasa mani tumu say 30 days pepe problems of constituency ni na be ko montuma me meye kwan tuma me mema hospital tuma me mema unsu tuma me mema KVIP tuma me mema be Johnson tuma me be dware tuma me be say enti problems na worry na waka cha say me tuma wo pa the only solution is my vote
but
ono wie ye na aban ne ba ya ye board DC dia this is no acceptance speech. Bakubi am call witness here Ashanti Joe baby. Mr. Otumfo am say hey Wuja for Otumfo anya Mr.
Look, don't tell me Mr. Otumfo. Captain, who is a good MP? What is there?
Yeah, no. If you are so tua oto ye de be ye na ye tua. Na man so akodwom no we jagigire ticket ye de be ye.
Yes, a good MP
is the MP that when parliament rises goes to his constituency, hold town hall meetings, not with his political party members, but with the communities to explain what government is doing. Listen, you people are doing a lot. You are not explaining it to the people.
So
look, there's this argument.
Give me definition of a good MP.
Yes.
Let me give you an example. Maybe that is out of experience.
Subjective. But based upon a value judgment. What do you place and your expectation?
Debbie.
Yes. What they call them in your context, you know, and MP and you don't go there. Yes.
Yes. Wow. And I won't say Wobano.
Yes.
Ejumana Yashi say MP Bayano. Who was said there be me the be back home. Enti me ba mo kwan meye.
That's what they say.
Yama wamra ade aye wadwuma wu. Obi answa wo. Wo begina apaso no. Ba ko bi wo me ho ba bi. O se ekwan ne de yema ne 90 days.
And they say you no and so you subjective.
Sankro ne ye
subjective. Because won't me Captain.
Ha, you
be mo. Odi mejama na what take you over. But before I will be back onto this issue, what I want to say is sir, Obeko elections are. You definitely would have to lead a campaign. MPs lead campaign. And the MP Becca idea based upon what the party manifesto and then the position on the issue. So all your candidate are difficult. Now what do you share idea make our Adam TV? That was last year. And I'll say it again. Mimi Kroma Santi, Efiji Asini Asokore. There was no day I'm called campaign with me. Me promise. Omo say Dr. Free or promise. Uka, me say to aba man another dan kwekufa the nombra. Ya ba enya me pa. So me call round sir. The whole constituency know me. I never promised.
And the area
I put it on record.
Captain,
it is based upon the manifesto. I say things based on me oko semia. Untimi nko semi.
When you manifesto.
And at town hall meeting say we do MP surgeries. MP surgeries say there in the course of sitting oko Thursdays once in a month. Na omo banom become asemo echel. And here surgeries which most of us are it's now going on. And who several MPs across both NDC MPP who are doing it. 2 town hall meetings like Alote said are very important. Because and then the mau direct access to the towns and then you have interactions on issues on Montias here are very important. Now if you heard more, nobody told people say Obi Befra was say me ti MP ache, me ti MP kanche. Koyo aye MP nkwa na wote nkanche anka ni anka Obefra MP busa ne say me wo MP bi wo ma me ho de. Oho ti side dia and obi abefa ko. Ona mo de mo defense na prime minister. Mo defense.
Captain or defending no.
Captain woni bibi. Ade aba ye kan.
Mo mo defense e betumu.
Yen ka say Captain yen ka say MPs ni ya. Asemo Captain asemo ye kan ne say. Ye ti o man mu ha ahokyere wo soro. Emrahye bedwefo baby amotena se hye de mo man ye nyina ye kɔ hɔ ene me pon ameme kɔ hɔ one of the finest yeah okɔ awa wani kraje keke
masa hu South Africa
yes but emre ya ye wo mu
owura kura be ho
anko nim say sika o mo de be project e be dru be $200 million
so omo ye go na wa abor
so baby an ye mekɔ na emrahye bedwafo mu ntimi ntena se nka nkyere mpanimfo say this is not the time for this. And are you thinking of your people? And one thing I hear more finish say, "Okay, you go back home, be back." Captain, platform, Captain.
Me say,
okay, on your platform.
I part now. I'm to go.
Miss, I know me back. And I say. On your platform. Okay, time why you can find the buy.
Mumu say no nim.
Obia.
Captain Mama. Captain Asemo make say.
Oh, Captain Eric
Odo. Come here. Asemo uncle make say.
Ye betumu say.
Ye tie konwa so mpo a ye say ye renovation kakra. Hwede da mo ye ne krom ha. And ya yen renovation na ye standard parliament ura wa e ahoka near 216 assemblies mebo the DCs na ade ye ba ye de bia ka we number 254 and then go for back 162 million old Ghana cedis. Look at the money say
constituencies
do baby no you see if you just want to serve your political party interest or mine no be from sir because they are can I'm talking of Captain. The American I'm not championing the interest of any political party because what is up is very bad. Abaya unyi kwan. British people are suffering. Sure, British health insurance claims
and what is look at the British Parliament.
Captain,
House of Commons.
Captain. The health insurance document your claims quite intimate.
Almost to bench do.
What is that?
Health insurance in
Why are you one bench in all green?
Go ahead and be almost to now say old, also the year better to know.
Me see MPP on 1 year adwuma no.
Captain.
Me say the end be
what is
first time we are first
because the BBI okay mu nyina mu nkofo so se hia dan ade say
it is a component
Kojo ba ma yenya example it's we are first time kra na wanye wadwuma yi a na se se etu a ye betu
but adwuma ne de
ba no so onye obi ko parliament especially here female parliamentarians mukeke the masemi 2016.
I'ma say more.
Was a shama over poto? No. I'ma say aside. Look, we need always to have about 40% of parliamentarians being women. Look, women are wiser than men. That's why I don't go school.
More women in parliament.
I'ma say that's why I don't go school. I'ma say hairdresser. I am the
beautician. Hairdresser.
Oh, but you have me a teacher or hairdresser. Oh, them get it. No, as a man again. Why do you want to read parliamentary education?
Parliamentary education.
Cosmetologist, no, you're beautician. You're beautician.
So I will say that. What are you talking about? Oh, yeah, hairdresser.
I mean, you're friendly.
So hairdresser.
There's coming a time. Parliament to pay him for dryers. Fitani respect.
Fitani on to me. I'm saying, sir. Are you saying, sir? The class. Hey, socialist pan out.
Jim FM 106.3. Talk.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM. Jim FM 106.3.